Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with power and connection. Put the car in park, turn the ignition to on, and make sure the infotainment display is awake. Once the screen is active, press the sync or media button on the dash. This initiates the system and loads the audio sources. If using a phone, enable Bluetooth now. If using USB, plug the cable into the correct port. These steps ensure the system can detect devices, so the media menu will populate quickly. Next, you navigate to the media list. Touch media or source on the display because that shows every available input. Once shown, scroll or turn the control knob to highlight Bluetooth, USB, AM, FM, or aux. Choose the one matching your device. Select the source and then wait while sync pairs or reads the device. This indexing can take a few seconds, and it lets you browse tracks or stations. Make sure your phone allows media audio, so playback appears in the menu. Finally, you confirm playback and resolve issues. Press play to verify sound, then use volume and track seek to test controls. This proves the media menu is active. If the source doesn't appear, unpair and repair Bluetooth, try a different USB cable or port, and reboot your phone or the car system. These steps clear common connection hiccups. If nothing works, perform a sync reset as a last resort. Remember that a reset can erase saved pairings and settings, so only use it when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.